Alright, I'm going to make this intro short and sweet because I'm recording from a Starbucks bathroom. This is the 4th of July 2024 video, followed by a hangover hike the next day. I hope y'all enjoy, and let's jump in. This is crazy. We're here at the, what is this called? Trout Lake?
Trout Lake.
We're here at Trout Lake in Colorado. Looks sick. It looks cool, all the reflection on the thing. Hey, get back. There's the van over there. Alright guys, it is 4th of July today. We're out here at Trout Lake in Colorado, hanging out, doing some art. I got some weird human figure that's supposed to resemble me, but Mia says it's not. Mia's doing flowers. Obviously the better artist.
No, not true.
So real that that fly just tried to land on it. But yeah, we slept here last night, which I didn't know if we could or not, but we ended up being able to. We have this beautiful view, tons of people out here, fishing and kayaking, paddleboarding, as you can see. And yeah, it's the 4th of July, baby, America's Day. I miss my buddies. I wish I was with my buddies on the 4th of July. That's just like a buddy holiday. You're supposed to be with your buddy on the 4th of July, you know? Yeah, I miss my buddies. They're all at the river right now, and I'm not there. They should be here. What? Why are you looking at me like that? You're fine. I'm just kidding.
I thought I was your buddy.
You're my buddy, but I miss my buddies. You know, my buddies.
Okay. You're real.
My real buddies. I'm just kidding. I got my two buddies here. These two buddies, Louie and Mia. These are buddies. Enjoying the day. We were gonna go down here by this rock, but there's people down here. So, yeah, we're just kind of chilling by the van until a spot clears up. Hopefully a spot clears up. It's about 1:30 right now almost, in 7 minutes. So, maybe these people are just here for a lunch of fishing or something, and then they're gonna go home and have some hamburgers, because I don't see them have any grills, so that's a good sign. That means that we might be able to get a spot tonight. But yeah, this spot is amazing. Beautiful view, beautiful lake, very clear. If you get down there, you can see how clear the water is. We'll take you down there in a little bit. But this is our 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I know that this video is gonna come out probably months after 4th of July, but I kind of like that because it lets people not know exactly where I am in case there's any like creepos online or something. And yeah, just hanging out here for the 4th. Nothing better. I do love my buddy here. I just miss my other buddies, that's all. They're all at the river, and I'm jealous that they're all together. Alright guys, this is the spot for the next few hours. Those people left, and so now we have this amazing spot all to ourselves. It's around the corner, so Louie can't be seen by people, and it's chill. Good to see people hanging out on the water. Happy 4th of July. He said, no, I'm going back to the shore. Well guys, I was just swimming in the water. And then went up, changed. Now we're hanging out by the water. Gotta go up. Because this man right here, this 40-year-old man, Louie, is being very annoying and bad. For some reason, he is very obnoxious around water, bodies of water. Whether that be rivers, lakes, whatever. He's crazy. See? Just like this. Bad. And so yeah, we're left with this. So we're gonna go back up to the van, I think, because Mia's getting hot. She painted a burger. Let's see your burger. We're making an American themed painting. Alright. Nice burger. Anyways, yeah, very beautiful, great place to spend 4th of July, unless you have a dog that whines in water. And, what? Americans? Hell yeah, brother. America. Oh, I couldn't get it. What? The American flag? I love America. We got some brothers out on the boats. Brothers and sisters out there. This is the place to be. It is not hot at all. Alright, we're gonna head up to the van. And then continue on with our 4th of July festivities. Fireworks over that ridge at 9 o'clock. We're gonna make burgers, and we're gonna cook Louis up and make him a burger. Okay. Alright, sunset's in a few minutes. And then they're gonna do the fireworks show in 20 minutes. So we're just sitting out here outside the van. We're just reading, hanging out. Beautiful lake, beautiful view. Chilling. We're gonna see some fireworks. Hopefully, it said weather permitting. Seems like the weather's fine. Still see the mountains. It's been a pretty good 4th of July. I forgot to film the burgers, but the burgers were banging. I mean, the buns were not banging, but the burgers were banging. And yeah, shout out to the new... Oh, you spilled my drink.
No, I'm so sorry.
I don't drink beer anymore, I only drink ale.
I guess I'll just stay in here and try to stay warm.
No, you'll come out here.
No, it's cold. I can't feel my sweat.
You'll come out here for the fireworks. That's fine.
Close to
I guess someone's missing their dog.
missing it.
Yeah, they're like riding around yelling, "Susie Q, come! Susie Q, come!"
Susie Q.
That's the dog's name. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna try to film the fireworks if they have it. And we're gonna sit here, hang out, drink a little bit.
Look, I'm wearing my overalls backwards.
Did you know?
Well, not whenever I first put them on, but after I was like, wow. But where's my sweater? Do you know?
No. I don't know where her sweater is. Well, there was no fireworks. They never started. We waited out there till just now. It's 9:18. They were supposed to start at 9, so we were safe to say they weren't happening. That sucked. We were just staring right at our horizon for like 18 minutes. Well, happy 4th of July. We're gonna go to bed. Sorry, there was no fireworks. Blame Rico, Colorado. Rico, Colorado. Blame them. Alright guys, today's July 5th, the day after 4th of July. We're gonna hit up the Hope Lake Trail right now. We're at the trailhead and there's, oh, I can't see that. I'll show you in a second. There's a shitload of cars here because it's July 4th weekend, but it's all good. We drank beers yesterday, so we gotta work them off today. And ate shitty, so gotta work them off today. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Head up the mountain. They're on a mountain, so I'm assuming we're going up because it's further up. And then down to the lake, I'm assuming. I think it goes to the lake. I don't know. We'll see. and we don't know anything about this hike because we looked at it but we didn't screenshot it, and we don't have the AllTrails Pro app, so it's kind of a mystery hike for us. We're gonna head out as soon as Louis. Oh wait, we finished. Here's the Hope Lake. Oh, it's only 2.5 miles. Okay, not bad. Come on, Louis. So I guess 2.5 miles there and then 2.5 miles back. That's what I'm assuming. Let me get back. Get back. Very beautiful. Drink your water. We're up here with the snow in the mountains. I'm out of breath because it's steep. This is one of the most blue lakes I've ever seen in person. That lake the other day was really blue too, but this is super blue also. And it's just so astonishing to me how it's up here in the mountains. Hey, Louie, stop. Definitely a hike worth taking. It was really steep, but worth it in the end. Because, yeah, this is just beautiful. The flowers, the mountains, the blue water, the trees, man, it's just perfect. Alright guys, thank y'all for coming along on this hike with me. It's been pretty chill, quiet hike today. You know, we drank yesterday, so a little bit blah today, obviously, but still worth getting out here and doing a hike for. seeing this. There's a lot of people out today. It's 4th of July weekend, so this place is packed, which makes sense. We're gonna hike back down here in a second after we hang up here for a little bit, and then go back down the mountain, which I had to drive up, and it was pretty much made for a 4x4. I'd have to say I'm a 2-wheel drive fan, and yeah, no, it was a little steep and a little sketchy getting up here with the rocks and loose rocks, so I suggest 4-wheel drive. I mean, I made it with 2-wheel drive, so can you, and I saw a couple other 2-wheel drive cars, but I don't know, I'd say coming up the road to Hope Lake Trail, definitely, hey, shh, coming up to Hope Lake Trail, definitely try to be 4-wheel drive if you can. Lily, come here.
Wanna go?
Huh?
Wanna go?
You can lead it, doesn't matter. You want it in front? Here, this might be easier.
Go ahead.
You're not running my shot. You make the shot. Yeah, you do. Look at those mountains. Insane.
My camera. Sorry.
Did you bring it?
I'm really cold.
Yeah, it's so beautiful with this lush field right here, and then these mountains, and then a beautiful lake on the other side with those mountains. So many mountains. Endless. Colorado is beautiful. Wish we would have brought a granola bar. Anyways, I'll see y'all next week or in 2 weeks. Anyways, I'll see y'all next week. Anyways, I'll see y'all in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. This is Cameron Walks. Thanks for walking with me. I'll see y'all next time.